So at THG Automation, we offer more than just the typical cart table with wheels on it. You can roll around. You can do that with our equipment, but we're excited about all the other things that our customers are able to do with some of the solutions we provided them, constantly innovating with different solutions and different ways to take the robot and the welding equipment and make it more versatile for all the different applications our customers would have needs for. So for instance, we've got this mobile platform. You can call it what you want. We call it mobile platform. The reason why is in the front, you can pick this up with a pallet jack, just like our standard table solutions. You can roll it around wherever you want, put it on the floor. We've got mount points here. So if you rotate these out, you can have a mount point to bolt down to the concrete. So it's stationary and it stays in place. With these mobile platforms, they're designed to be modular. So we've got holes in the tops, just like you would tables. So you can mount different items on these 16 millimeter holes on 100 millimeter pitch. Included with that is actually the ability to mount some of the existing equipment that we would offer with our standard table systems. So for instance, this is the sidecar that we use with any system that you buy that's a MIG welding system. So you can switch over to this manual wire feed solution. You can hand weld with this with either a push MIG or CMT manual torch. So this is a really popular option for our customers. Wire feed equipment here is for the robot. So you switch back and then the robot takes over the wire feed equipment, uses the same power source. So this mobile platform solution has been really popular. Along with this, you can't see it, but there's a cabinet on the back side. That cabinet is for the external axes, which are controlled by the robot controller. And so here we've got our dual axis drop center solution. This is a 500 kilogram, 1 meter clearance option that we offer our customers. This is fairly new. It's been a really popular conversation for adding ability to be able to weld parts with dual axis rotation. So super excited about this. We've got other things that we're coming down the pike with as far as products. We've got sky hooks that we're going to offer, obviously our track solutions and our individual external axes. So basically you can see here that we've modularized our solutions so you can create with our single axis positioner and our tailstock option. Now we've got a drop center. So all these parts are standard off the shelf for us. We just mix and match them in different configurations. Trying to be very innovative in how we do this, trying to reuse products so we're not adding additional costs and inventory so our customers can get solutions quick. So this mobile platform has been integrated in with this drop center positioner, and then you could put anything on this you want within that 1 meter clearance, or we have other larger sizes and smaller sizes we're going to come out with. So, or our customers can integrate whatever they want. So if they said, hey, we want the servos, we want to build our own solution, we're perfectly fine with that. If there's a third-party mechanical unit that they want to add, and they already have it or they want to buy it for some special application, no problem. It's just a servo from our standpoint, setting a gear ratio, and then the coordinated motion functionality takes on from there.